us for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Hello beautiful family, and Vilhan is back with a hair tutorial. Yes, we are doing a bunny. To my returning service, thank you so much guys for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys rock. And to my new subscribers, welcome to the family. My name is Tandega Kawile or Mrs. K. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do like, comment and subscribe for more. So today we are doing a slick bunny on my short hair. So I started off by spraying my hair with water because I needed my hair to be a little bit wet for a nice and smooth bun. I added hair extension where I will do my bun off camera. I am using a soften free styling gel on Style and Shine medium hold. Then I am applying the styling gel on my hair using my hands. I put enough amount of gel. And if you feel that it's not enough, you can put more, just add on more gel until you are satisfied. And I comb through and brush the hair. I am using a toothbrush, an old toothbrush, to brush my hair because I don't have hairbrush. And then now I am doing the edges using the same brush. This one, it's optional. If you don't want edges, you can just leave them. Then I tie my hair with a black woolen to be a bit tight, you know what I mean? Then after, I brushed my hair again using the same brush, and my hands, of course, to be more slick. So now I am drying my hair using a hair dryer. So now I am rolling my hair so that I will be able to, it's the hairpiece, not the added hairpiece, so that I can be able to add the actual hairpiece that I will use as a bunny. And put on my doek, then go to bed. Then in the morning, I will take off my doek, or you can wait for an hour or 2 hours before you take off your doek. It's the next morning and I am taking off the doek. And now my hair has dried up properly overnight. Yes, overnight. This is the hairpiece that I am using today. You can use any hairpiece, any brand that you like. You section it into 2 parts and put on your hair on your smallanyana pondo, on your smallanyana bun. And then you divide it into 3 parts. I mean 3 parts because here I want to do a French, Is it a French or a French? I don't know. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what I want to do. And you don't need a lot for the front part. So I've cut the front part off camera. Now I'm straightening my hair. I used a hot straightener, that's why it got bent. So do not use a hot straightener. Don't use a hot straightener on this hair because it's not 100% human hair. You will need to put your straightener on low heat. So I decided to use my smaller straightener because the heat here, it's just normal. It's not hot and it's not low. It's not too hot and it's not too low. And I rolled my bunny into my desired shape off camera as well. I am so sorry about that. When you strengthen your hair, you need to bend it in the end, just a little bit, to give it a nice fringe. So I decided to cut this side as well because the other side got burned by the straightener. You can place it on the side like this. So you guys, I was not happy with the French part, so I decided to remove it altogether, and I did this. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on the next tutorial. Bye.
This moment is the day that the Lord has made.